How to change email on Wise account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can change the email on Wise account. For that, you want to open the Wise app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this app. Then make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you want to change the email address, it is a very straightforward process. For that, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, tap on the settings option. Now tap on privacy and security, which is on the general section. Once you get here, you want to tap on the email address option. Your current email address is displayed. Now here it says if you need to change your email address, you simply have to type a new one above. So go ahead and erase this previous email address. Then enter a new email address. Once that is done, tap on the save option. But here you will have to enter your password. Now tap on continue. Now you will have to confirm your email address. Tap on the got it option. On the new email address you have entered, you will receive this kind of email. Tap on the confirm your email option. Now it's going to verify your email, and as you can see, your email has been verified. Tap on the continue option, and now whenever you log into your account, you will have to use your new email address. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.